Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add portfolio for your HTML website. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will have it, you'll get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is portfolio. So let's click sign up for free. And you want to sign with your email, password or Facebook or Gmail, it's really up to you. And when you have it, you want to click login. Now when you're here, you want to write to search portfolio. And just click portfolio, create a widget. Now you have fashion, product, photograph. You can really choose web designer, really choose which one you like, travel blog, makeup artists. So many of these. So let's go like photo shoots here or product photographer. Continue with the template. Now you just upload your photos everywhere. You can also name them, project details if you would like. Change the layout again. I like the grid. And when you have it, you want to click save. Right after it, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your site, go with the light version. But if you have already 5,000, 50,000 views, basic pro version, choose those, all right? That's just my recommendation. Now just take the code here. Let's paste the code to your HTML site page and let's preview. And now, voila. Here you got perfect portfolio for your website. So this is how you add portfolio to HTML. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.